You have to come here as student of cinema. Drag our bags across in some apartment, 20 people sharing one room, one bathroom. This is very interesting. Come, I'll show you. Everybody sits out here with their little towels and watches movies. I think after 2015, I did something which is called the Producers Breakfast. It's a networking breakfast program at Marshaduk, Cannes, which is the market. These are all the tents. These are all countries that they have their tents here, which is like the pavilions. So we just came out of the India pavilion. But right at the end of this is the huge market. It's down there. That is the Palais, and behind that is Marshaduk Film. We've just walked thoda aage abhi. So there I did a Producers Breakfast. And it used to be amazing. Come early in the morning, around I think 7 or 8 a.m. and 2-3 hours we were being mentored by some of the best producers, lawyers, sales agents, co-production treaties, and that's where my world opened up, my horizon opened up, and I figured opportunity, and I could even figure that India had a treaty with France signed in 1985, and we were the first ones to use it in 2011 for Lunchbox. I attended the producers workshop, which I was sponsored by IFP in New York, and they sponsored me to come from India to attend it, and that's how I was able to attend it, which I'm very, very grateful for. They should definitely come and sign up for the Producers Breakfast, because it gives you momentum for your day, it gives you perspective, and you also meet people. There's also a huge peer group, and all of you can plan to watch films together. You have to come here as student of cinema. You have to come here as just queuing up in lines, going to the main, while there is main Palais, jahan par there is competition, out of competition, uncertain regard, midnight, all these sections. There is also Directors Fortnight, which is near the Marriott. There's also Directors Fortnight is where Gangs of Wasseypur opened, and then there is Critics Week, which is next to Miramar Hotel, and that's where Peddlers and Lunchbox programmed. Even at midnight, this is very interesting. Come, I'll show you. Even at midnight, you can sit on the sand and see. This is the cinema on the other side. This is it's a project. Yeah, it's a La Plage. It's a projector. And on the other side, you can see a cinema and you can see it in the night. Everybody sits around the sand to watch. Middle of the night, it starts at 12 o'clock. So it's just incredible, the energy. And just walking up and down, by these tents. Not at all. I've made independent films. I mean, the vibe here is more independent. While Matlab AM PM, guys. I'm excited actually that this is the trip that I had a car from the airport to the hotel, because otherwise I would always be in a bus and get down at the Kanka city stop and drag our bags across in some apartment, 20 people sharing one room, one bathroom. Can I tell you, last night, I've been here one day, last night I had a meeting at 2 a.m. Wow. This is the Palais. This is La Plage. I had a meeting at 2 a.m. and we were bright and we were talking about cinema, and I was like, we were talking about one of our films, and I was just telling him I was so exhausted before meeting you. But when we are talking, it's just like I can go on. And that is really what drives me, and that's what I have always done all my life, and getting a glimpse of that after so many years. At Cannes, I was like, let's chat. It's 3 a.m. but let me tell you what we are doing with this movie, what we are doing, what is this director all about, what is our story, who do you think I can show it to, what are your thoughts? At 2 a.m. mind was racing. That was last night. See, this is the cinema. Now you can see it from this side. And everybody sits out here with their little towels and watches movies. It's beautiful, sound is amazing. You should come in the night, Sucharita, and see. It actually opened last night. Yeah, thank you.